Customizing the theme of your blogger site on mobile can be a little tricky, and as mobile Brave Blogger does not provide all the customization options available in the desktop version. However, you can still make changes. You can go to the blogger and you can set it as a desktop view. After that, setting a desktop view, you can simple customize the theme in desktop view. Go to the blogger dashboard, click on the left sidebar, click on the theme. You'll see the available themes including mobile templates. Click on customize button under the theme you have selected. Now will be directed to the theme designer where you can customize the theme, background, layout, customize the layout for mobile desktop. You can add widgets, move widgets, delete widgets. You can add fonts, colors, which can make your website beautiful and blog beautiful. You can add customization. You can modify header, footer, and sidebar, and you can even modify your template using HTML, CSS. You can simply just do it. However, remember, just like on the WordPress, you cannot customize it much because it does not use PHP as that much as the WordPress can give you the freedom.